biological infestation.
There must be thousands of them.
Hundreds of thousands.
Yeah, okay, we got a sunflower leaf issue. Got some damage from just the normal bugs. These are doing really good. This is just normal damage. But some are just covered with ants. What's the deal here? Let's find out. Now these, or at least they did, and have all these ants on them. So you look at the leaves, and what the hell's going on here? This isn't really that bad. What is going on here, for the most part, is that the ants will go after secondary sap, but they also have aphid colonies. Look at that. That's not good. So all these little bastards are going to be sprayed off with water. The leaves will wilt because they're sucking out all the water out of them. They don't bother the corn. But we got quite an aphid infestation. Continue farming them. Sunflowers also have secondary nectar that comes off their leaves. Oh, here we go. Got a good, can't remember the name of this bee. It starts with an H. Hudson's bee. Hudson. They're really good ones. Giant seeds. But this one is what I really noticed. Aphid City. Well, until I learned exactly what they're doing. I was feeling sorry about brushing off all the ants until I realized that they're doing it to maintain their aphid colonies. And they're starting to hurt this plant. Touch my watermelons or pumpkins and we're going to have a real big issue.
We've got to stop them.
Open the channel, Lieutenant. This is the commander of the USS Enterprise. All cities and installations on Hymeniar 7 have been located, identified, and fed into our fire control system. In 1 hour and 45 minutes, the entire inhabited surface of your planet will be destroyed. You have that long.
Seems like overkill.